Hi everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our Java multithreading series. Today we'll learn how to create threads in Java, and also I will show you a real-time example using a kitchen to make it super easy to understand. So, day 2 creating threads in Java. Let's understand first, before we start coding, let's quickly recall what a thread is. So, a thread is lightweight unit of execution. Inside a program, multiple threads allow a program to do more than one task at the same time. Here we can think of a program as a kitchen. Each dish being prepared simultaneously represent a thread. The cook CPU manages all the dishes efficiently, handling multiple tasks. Here, the example I'm giving a real life kitchen because through this we can understand easily and we can compare also. So imagine a kitchen where a cook prepares multiple dishes at the same time. Boiling rice, making sabji, frying papad, rolling roti. Each dish represents a thread executing in parallel. The cook is like the CPU, managing tasks efficiently using context switching. If you cook one dish at a time, dinner will take forever. But in real life, the cook does multiple things together. While rice is boiling, they cut vegetables. While sabji is cooking, they roll rotis. While roti is on the pan, they fry papad. This is exactly what thread do in a program. Multiple tasks running in parallel, managing by CPU. This kitchen analogy is a simple way to understand multi-threading in real life. So now we'll discuss about the ways how many ways we have to create the thread. So the way one, extending thread class. Okay, this method create a new thread by extending the thread class, override the run method to define the task for the thread. So here we are creating a new class that extend the thread class. We override the run method to define what the thread will do. Here I am giving the example class cooking rice extend thread, and then run method I have written and I am printing rice is being cooked. Here we have used a start method. So we call start not run. Start creates a thread while run just execute like a normal method. So that's the reason we are calling start because that will create the thread. Here way two we have for creating the thread is implementing runnable interface recommended. It create a separate class implementing runnable override run method to define the task, pass the object to a thread. So we create a class that implement runnable and override the run method. Here I have created the class as fry papad, which I am implementing runnable and run method is there, and we are printing papad is being fried. And here we have called the start method to creating the thread. This approach is flexible because your class can still extend another class if needed. Most real world Java projects use runnable, not extending thread. Now let me discuss when to use which approach. Extending thread use if class does not need to extend any other class. Implementing runnable, it is recommended for professional project keep inheritance free. Most real-world Java applications use Runnable for better flexibility. Always prefer Runnable in real-world application because it will be the better flexibility and code maintainability. Now we can practice something. This is the homework which you can do. Create two threads to print number from 1 to 10. Observe how thread runs simultaneously and manage context switching. Try both extending thread and runnable approach. So here we have, before we finish, here are the key points. A thread is a separate path of execution inside a program. Multiple thread allow tasks to run concurrently. Use runnable for professional and flexible code. Real life analogy, cook managing multiple dishes in a kitchen. Context switching allows CPU to handle multiple thread efficiently. That's it For day 2, if you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and click the bell button so you don't miss day 3, where we'll learn thread, state, sleep, and join method. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Take care.